Follow the child that father. Man, that was not in the middle this whole time. Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Asia. Today, as you can see from the title, I am just setting up my baby's Montessori area. If you don't know what Montessori is, we're gonna get all into that right now. But really quick, before we jump into that, if you are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing for more content similar to this and other content. I do a hair journey. I am trying to be healthy, so I guess you could say that I am on a healthy journey. And not really, kind of, yeah, whatever. But anyway, yeah, if you're interested, then subscribe for more. I have notes. I'm not gonna get too deep into Montessori today, but I could do that in another video. Okay, so what is Montessori? Montessori is the last name of a woman named Maria. Montessori is a method of teaching developed by Maria Montessori. The key principles of Montessori is independence, observation, following the child, in a prepared environment. Those are the main ones for me, but I'm gonna give you all of the 5 principles. So we're gonna do that right now. Principle number 1, respect for the child. This is the top principle underlying the whole Montessori method. Respect for the child is shown by not interrupting their concentration. That could be during playtime, while they're eating, whatever it is. Try your hardest not to. A really good thing to help not interrupt them would be, when they're old enough, of course, let them know. Say, hey baby, in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we're gonna have to stop this activity. We're gonna have to turn this off. We're gonna have to do this because we have to do this. Just explain to them, let them know why they're gonna have to stop what they're doing. They still might be a little sad about it, but at least they know that they have a few more minutes. Wouldn't you be kind of upset if somebody just stopped you in the middle of whatever you're doing and say, hey, we gotta go do this right now. Come on, let's go, right now. Yeah, I mean, you would be kind of irritated. But yes, and also giving them freedom to make their own choices to do things for themselves. So choosing their outfit, choosing what toys they want to play with, little things like that. Give them a little bit of sense of independence. I feel like it will lessen the tantrums, and it will lessen the times that you would have to say no. You get what I'm saying? Which would lessen tantrums. Also, peaceful conflict resolution, which is some of the things that I just named to lessen those tantrums. Principle number 2, absorbent mind. Children are constantly learning from the world around them. Through their senses, children can constantly absorb information. So, sensory activities that you can do with sensory, you could just look them up online. You can look up Montessori sensory activities for your child's age. Number 3, sensitive periods. There are certain periods in kids' lives where they are more ready to learn certain skills. For example, writing. They're not ready to learn writing at this age. At this age, she's learning how to eat. So the order and times in which those sensitive periods occur, it varies in every child. Of course, everybody is different. I thought you could see what I was doing, but you couldn't. Number 4, prepared environment. The Montessori method suggests that the child learns best in an environment that has been prepared to enable them to do things for themselves. Always child-centered. The learning environment should promote freedom for your child to be able to explore materials. You should prepare the environment for making the tools and materials and toys reachable, accessible for the child in an orderly and an aesthetically fashion. It doesn't have to in an orderly fashion. Number 5, the last one, auto-education, also known as self-education. This is the concept that children are capable of learning for themselves and teaching themselves. This is one of the most important beliefs in Montessori. That's why you want to give them choices. You want them to make their decisions. You want them to lead you. Baby-led, meaning follow the child. In Montessori, you'll hear a lot of people say, follow the child, that father. Man, that was not in the middle this whole time. In Montessori, you will always see, follow the child. And this is why. Because they are capable of teaching themselves. Parents and teachers should prepare the environment, be inspirational, motivational, be their guidance, and encourage them. Encourage them to educate themselves. That is one of the biggest beliefs in Montessori. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this, just let me know down below. I do have it planned, but if I get some requests to do so, I'll do it earlier than planned. So yeah, just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you learned something today. Send this to any new mom or parent that is looking for maybe different parenting ways. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Kisses, baby. Kisses. Look at her outfit. Happy.